Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a really cool 7x16 I just got in today. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft, again 7x16 in a charcoal blackout package. Gives you guys a black diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom, as well as the V-nose cap, which is a really nice feature right there. Triple tube extended tongue. These trailers do tow amazing with that extended triple tube tongue. Side door, you've got a nice big gutter, as well as the double locks with that RV lock and cam bar. And then you've got two 3,500 pound axles with brakes on all fours, and you've got the black diamond plate fender with your blackout package. Now that blackout package also turns all the bottom trim on the trailer, as well as the upper trim up there, from black or silver to black as well. So really gives you guys that true blackout feeling. You do have black mod wheels with this unit as well. Side vents and stabilizer jacks underneath. Rear ramp door with spring assist close, and then you also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb, LED strip tail lights, and a nice gutter over this rear ramp door as well. This one does have a painted interior floor in it, and then you've got a 7-foot interior height, so good for RZRs, UTVs, and side-by-sides. Here's one of your side vents back here. Your other one's in that top left corner, so the trailer will have some natural ventilation through it. But then we also have a roof vent. It is braced and ready to go for AC if you guys ever want to add that in the future, and that'll allow you guys to get some more ventilation in here. Two LED puck lights. You've got one here by the side door, another one here at the rear. These are really bright, efficient little lights. I love these little puck lights. They do have toggle switches on them individually, so you can control those, or they'll both come on right there with the switch. No battery inside this trailer, so this is going to pull power from your vehicle when you guys have it plugged into your vehicle, and that will give you your interior lights. Back side of this RV lock gives you guys this piece, a lock, a latch, and a set of keys, so you've got double lock protection there and about a 5,000 pound payload capacity with this unit. So here it is. Give us a call if you're in the market for a new trailer, 303-688-8485, or you can always check us out online and view our inventory at coloradotrailersinc.com.